Hello, I'm Viola. Today, I would like to tell you and show you how to use a breast pump to extract milk. This is a very useful thing for mothers and is especially helpful when you need to quickly get milk. As you can see, this breast pump has a container for milk, and the lever itself, when pressed, milk comes out. In fact, it is very convenient because you can use the milk container many times. Now I will show you how it works. I put the pump directly on my chest. Make sure that it fits snugly against the nipple and nothing interferes with you. Press the lever, creating pressure, so that the milk flows into the container. When it begins to fill it, you will see this moment. This is natural milk, which is very important, by the way. As you can see, it does not take much time. I already feel how the container is filled with the required amount of milk. Now I can simply unscrew this container and pour the milk into another container for storage. I hope this video helped you learn how to use a breast pump. Write in the comments if you have any questions.